Hi builders, welcome to the video hosting overview tool. My name is Jackie de Klerk. I'm your success coach, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you that our video hosting tool is actually a 3-in-1 tool. You can host videos and sounds, and you can also wrap your videos to make it more appealing for your visitors, and you can even add tags to your videos so that you can direct them into different areas of your website or even your funnel. So right here on the dashboard, the very first thing you'll see is that we've got upload media area right here, and below it is a very important message that says you can upload up to 3 gigabytes and that it has been stored as an MP4 and WebM. Please note that it is going to take some of your space in your account, but you don't have to worry. If you still need additional space, you can always purchase more from Builderall. Now at the top here, you'll see dashboard, and then below it, if I click on my media, this is all the areas that you're going to click to see them, and as an overview. You will see all your videos under the movies area, all the sounds under sounds, and if you've got a variety of folders, it's going to be in this area right here. Here you can see that we've already got a folder created, but I'm going to show you again on how to create another folder. But in this example, I did it this way because I want to show you how you can delete a folder if you don't need it anymore. If you click on the 3 dots, you're going to see you can rename it, or you can say delete the folder with its content. Please be very careful if you are going to use that. Maybe you do have some information in it and then it will be lost forever. But in this case, we're just going to say yes, and we are deleting it completely. Now it's gone. Now to upload new media, you're just going to click on either new media button right here, or you're going to go back to the dashboard and click on select the file. But because I think that folders is important, it helps us to organize our content, I'm going to create that folder that I just deleted again. So I'm just going to call this Builderall training, and I'm going to click on create a folder. And you can see the folder is now being created right there. Now I'm just going to double click on it, and you'll see that it's empty, but I can go and upload new media right here. So I'm going to click on new media, and I'm just going to type introduction, and then you'll see you've got 2 options. You can upload it via your computer, or sometimes if you struggle and the file is very large and there's maybe something that's not right, it is sometimes better to upload it from your Google Drive, and that actually happens faster. But in this example, I'm just going to go from my computer, and I'm going to choose a very small file, otherwise we wait too long. And you can see that it shows that it's been uploading, but it's still going to need to encode as well. So let's just give it a moment. And obviously this is going to take, depending on your Wi-Fi as well, the size of the video. So once it's finished, you're going to see this black area, and it's going to bring up the video nicely. Now you can see it's right there. And then I'm just going to click OK. And now the video has been added in the video hosting area. So we're going to go to my media. There is our folder. We're going to click, and you can see there is the video in that area. Now the 3-in-1 tool comes when you are uploading a video, not sound, because sound is actually not a video. It is just an audio file. But when you are uploading a video, you're just going to go to the 3 dots of the video that you want to work with. And now there's a variety of different options right here. You can choose to edit the media options, which we are going to click right now. And you're going to see that there is a time that is ticking going down. It's basically a countdown timer. And you can choose different themes. You can see we've got a lot of different kinds of themes that you can choose from. And there is also, you can choose whether you want to display the title of the video that you are creating or not. If you want to display it, make sure that it's ticked, otherwise untick it. And then you can also change the unmute words that is at the bottom. At this stage, it says click here to unmute video. And you can also show unmute label when muted if you want to. Then a very important part, if you only want this video to be shown on a specific domain where you're going to embed the video, you can add the domains right in this area. Now, obviously, if there is more than one domain, make sure that you add that. This is a super secure function, because that means that nobody else would be able to steal your information of your video and download it from the internet, because it can only be shown on that specific domain that you have actually set it to be. Next to it is cover. This is where you can upload covers, preload cover for the beginning before the video actually plays, when it's been paused, or when it has been finished. And then you can choose to fit, contain, or cover, depending on the size of the image that you are going to upload in that area. Now for the controls area, I normally don't make use of it because it depends on the mobile browsers. You can override the standard browser, but I choose normally just to leave it like that. So once it's done, you can just click save. Clicking on the three dots, you can see we've got embed code. The embedded code comes in two different areas. You can have one that is embedded. We actually copy the code and embed it into the iframe of your website or any other website. It does not have to be just a Builderall website. And then also you've got a direct link if you just want to make use of adding that into the iframe, or maybe sending it to somebody else to be able to watch. It could be maybe an email marketing form that you have, or even if you've got a freebie that you're giving away and it's a video that people can watch, you can send them to that specific area. Then it's also, you've got some extra video details that you can control the video with for it to autoplay. So if it's ticked like this, it means the video is going to start playing automatically. People don't have to press start. It's going to show the countdown that we just saw previously. If you don't want that countdown to be shown, you're going to just untick it like that. Then you've got some controls. Do you want to show the controls that the person can pause and start and move forward, as well as the playback speed? And if you want to loop the video, must it show over and over and over and over again? That is basically the additional functions that you have. Now note, if you take out some of these things, some of it might disappear, and you'll see that additional ones appear, like sound and full screen controls, if you are playing around and toggle with the show control button right there. That's basically embedded. So if you go down again, we've got download the media that you've created. This is very cool, especially if you have made some changes and you need to download it for another function, then you can download it. You can move it to another folder. Currently it's in this folder, but if you've got many other different folders, you would be able to move it to that folder as well. And then the cool thing is to show statistics. You can see how many times a person has actually viewed that content that you've created. So you might have this video on your website, and then every time somebody has actually viewed it, you would be able to see how many times it was seen. Then you've got the video tag tool and the wrap the video, which is the two additional tools I was talking about. So below this video, you're going to find additional tutorials to explain to you exactly how that works. And then obviously, last but not least, we've got the delete one, and that is what we're going to do right now. We're just going to click on delete. Now you can see it's gone. If I go back to my dashboard and go back to media, you can see that there is nothing inside of the Builderall training. The only way to get rid of that again is to go and delete. And that is basically all there is to this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you understand exactly how to do this. Remember to watch the videos below. Have a good day. Bye.